Vlogmas day 3, and I am up way too early to be having all this energy. I am currently getting ready for work, and yeah, I have to secure my wig. So let's do that. I'm gonna give y'all outfit of the day too. So yeah, let's do that for the day. I know I put the fancy hair in my dress. Tiana, do you know where my Got To Be spray is? My Got To Be spray. No, this morning, Mom? No, I use spritz. I found it, never mind. Hey, you put it back? How you know it's in the drawer? I just put it in the drawer last night. See? This is what I be talking about. And you ain't fixed the drawer back. Anyway, I got it. Gotta put my wig on. Yeah. You should always touch stuff. So, let me give y'all a little bit of this outfit of the day. I got this from my local D's discounts, you know. It was like a nice little $13. And I look good, okay? And I got my little white Walmart shoes. And I'm about to, you know, be cute today. But I gotta do my hair. So let me go ahead and do that. This is a lot better. Yeah, I'm going to do it now. Let's see what you actually talking about. You got my outfit on? Good morning.
Hold on a second. Are you recording me?
You're not ugly, Mom.
I'm inappropriate.
How is that inappropriate? I didn't even get your whole body in it. I can crop it to your face, okay? Jesus. Good morning, Miss YG. Don't do that. Good morning. Oh, y'all want to see our Christmas decorations? So now I'm going to for real. Good morning. How are you? Good. So I live in Dover. If you know what Dover is, you're just a smart person because nobody knows what Dover is. Nobody knows what Dover is, and okay. Yeah, so hopefully I get to work by 9 because I'm not trying to be in there later than 6:30. I have plans, so today we're decorating the office, and
just hope everything turns out how I envision. Today I'm gonna be making like our little mailbox thing for my desk. It's gonna be like a mailbox for letters to send to, and I'm making it myself. I'm so excited. I'm in charge of our holiday committee, so I have to make sure everything is, ooh, Jesus, that light is nice. Okay, I was light skinned for a cool little 3 seconds. But what was I about to say? I'm in charge of it, and I just have to make sure my first year is perfect, so next year I can be on it. And I heard the story real quick. It was a little bus that was real G. He was not moving. But yeah, and like our theme for this year is a trip to the North Point. So like, you know how everybody has a mailbox in front of their house, or like on the side of their house, or across the street. So my desk is going to be where the mailbox is going to be at, because I begin like our team, and then the rest of the team is going to look like Christmas Town. So hopefully it turns out really, really nice and everything goes smooth. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm officially on lunch. Lunch was late today. It is literally 4:45 and I'm just taking lunch. I was decorating in the office, and you know, I'm in charge of a holiday committee, so I have to make sure everything is perfect, and I'm so tired, y'all. I'm so exhausted. You can see it all over my face. But don't worry, Vlogmas Day 3 will be up. It'll probably be out late. I do have another video that I want to film for you guys tonight, so I'm probably going to do that too. And I don't get off until 6, so I'm going to try my best to get as many videos as I can out for you guys during the week, because yeah, it's going to be a long process. Tomorrow I'm going to Busch Gardens with my team, so that should be really, really fun, and I can't wait. So I'll see you guys when we get out. Okay, so that was an old lady? Oh, that was an older lady, because it's an older man. Okay. Shoot, like, just come and sleep with me? Okay, Granny. Trying to get your freak on. Anyways, so y'all, I'm about to make this little mailbox I was telling y'all about earlier. And I got all my supplies. I got my paint. I got my other paint and my other paint. And then I got my tape. And I got my paint brushes. So today is art class with Kisa. You about to see what it do. I'm about to set up everything and we gotta do it started. First thing you want to do is make sure you don't make a mess. that are cardboard, just because I already know you have like flaps here, and it'll make it easier for me to just, you know, make the rest of it. I was gonna get a cardboard box, and then I changed my mind. So basically what we're gonna do is take these and open them out and spread them and bend them over. So I'm gonna open those boxes on the side.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every
Okay, y'all, so I finished the mailbox. That is gonna be the end of this vlog because your girl gotta clean up, and I still gotta get ready for tomorrow, and I have to do another video for y'all. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is the end of Vlogmas day 3. Subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.